The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kupiansk direction, aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces have engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine AFU close to Sinkovo, Olshany, and Kragmelnoye Kharkov region. The enemy suffered losses of up to 30 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer. In addition, Russian troops disrupted actions of 6 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups near Stelmakovka, Lugansk People's Republic Vyugnaia, Peshotravnevoye, and Sinkovka Kharkov region. In Krasny Liman direction, Russian ground attack aircraft and army aviation, artillery, and heavy flamethrower systems of the Chenta group of forces hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Makivka and Chervenaya Dibrova, Lugansk People's Republic Yampolovka, and Grigorovka Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy suffered losses of over 100 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 1 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer and D-30 howitzer in this direction. In total, 405 airplanes and 228 helicopters, 3,641 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,510 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,077 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,485 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,270 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine in a statement said Russia lost 560 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 5 armored fighting vehicles as well as 1 artillery unit and 2 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 174,550 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,618 tanks, 6,986 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 403 days. There is still no peace agreements between 2 sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of destroying the enemy with tulip mortar. 14 separate mechanized brigade named after Prince Roman the Great continue to hit the Russian occupiers. Video was published by General Staff of Armed Forces of Ukraine April 2nd. President of Ukraine Volodymyr said thanks to everyone who defends Ukraine from Russia occupier. I am grateful to our warriors who are fighting near Avdiivka, Mariinka, near Bakhmut. Especially Bakhmut. It's especially hot there today. Near Bilohorivka, near Kremenna and all our other cities, towns and villages of Donbas, Zelensky said.
Українці, українки, сьогодні російські терористи знову вдарили по Костянтинівці, Донецької області. У звичайних житлових кварталах 6 людей вбито цим російським обстрілом, 3 жінки, 3 чоловіка. Звичайні люди, звичайне містечко на Донбасі. Мої співчуття рідним і близьким загиблим. Ще 11 людей отримали поранення. Росія застосувала проти Костянтинівки ракети С-300 і систему залпового вогню «Ураган». Сьогодні вранці російські терористи ударили також по Конотопському району Сумської області. Мінометний вогонь, 2 загиблих. Мої співчуття.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.